We have a binomially distributed random variable. 40% of applicants are qualified for a job, for a position. 20 individuals apply. We want to answer these probabilities. Probability that exactly 3 are qualified of those 20. Probability that at least 10 are qualified. That no more than 4 are qualified. At least that less than 8 are qualified. Probability that at most 2 are qualified. N in this case is 20. P, probability of success, meaning being qualified for the job, is 0.4. We start by, let me move these up so I can have room for, we will create the probability distribution, x and probability of x. X will be 0, 1, 2, and it goes to 20. Probability of x would be binomial, Binom.dist, Binom.dist. The number would be this 0. Trials is this 20. I want to fix it, so when I copy it down, the cell doesn't change. Probability is 0.4. Again, I will fix the cell reference. And I do not want to compute the cumulative probability, meaning I do not want to compute the probability of 0 all the way to whatever number I am computing. So I will say false. So this will be the probability of an exact value, which the exact value would be this 0 here. Okay, now I can copy it down, and I can double check to make sure that this adds up to 1, and it does. So now I can compute all of these probabilities. What is the probability that exactly 3 are qualified? Exactly 3 would be this probability right here. Probability of x equal to 3. What is the probability that at least 10 are qualified? At least 10 would be the summation. At least 10 means 10 or more. So the summation of 10 or more. Probability that no more than 4 are qualified equals to no more than 4. No more than 4 means 4 or less. So that would be equal to summation of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. No more than 4, yeah, no more than 4 means 4 or fewer. Probability that less than 8 are qualified equals to summation of less than 8 means 7 or less. Probability that at most 2 are qualified equals summation of at most 2 means no more than 2. So 0, 1, and 2. So that's how you compute binomial calculations using Excel. Thank you.